What's up everyone, this is Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another video. Today we're taking the C7 to get the windows tinted. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers and for you guys taking the time to watch my channel. You know, small channels really need a lot of support to grow and you know, to continue to put content together, and there's so much great car content on YouTube. I really appreciate the time that you take to watch my videos, to comment on my videos, to hit that like button, and also for you folks that have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. If you've got a C5, if you've got a C7, if you just love Corvettes as much as I do, please consider giving me a subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for watching the channel. It's time to get rid of the fishbowl look. So let's get a before shot here. Yeah, so you can see, you know, there's not really any tint at all on these windows, and it's a fishbowl. So we're going to take it to Elite Tinting in Edgemont, Pennsylvania. I've got an appointment at 1 o'clock, so we better get going. But before we leave, we got to do something with this roof. So we have rain in the forecast sometime this afternoon. The sky's going to open up. And if we're not home in time, the C7 is going to get wet. Now, I had the car out the other day in the rain and it did not melt, contrary to popular belief. Time for a cold start. I'm here at Elite Glass Tinting here in Edgemont, Newtown Square off of Route 3, and yeah, the Corvette's inside getting tinted, and there's a Urus back there getting some Xpel on it. So I think I took this to the right place. They're doing a fantastic job. The car looks awesome. Here's a couple cars that are sitting here. And some poochies. What's up, poochie? What's up, poochie? Doesn't want to be on camera. I can understand. Stage fright. Alright, so we're back from Elite Glass Tinting. We just had the C7 done, and boys and girls, it looks amazing. It was nice driving back. No more living in a fishbowl. or driving in a fishbowl. So I went 20% all the way around the 2 windows on the side, of course the small one in the back, and then the rear hatch window. And I gotta say, Elite did an amazing job. You probably saw in the video there was a Lamborghini Urus in the background getting full PPF. I think they talked me into getting PPF done on this car. I wasn't originally going to do PPF on the C7, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it now, just because the cost is not too crazy. But you know, any kind of rock chip repair, getting the front clip repainted is going to be almost as expensive as it would be just to get PPF done. What do you guys think about the tint? Does it look better? Yeah, I think so too. I can't imagine it looks any worse, to be honest with you. Very cool. So I can't put the windows down for a couple of days, obviously. I'm leaving for vacation soon, so the car's really not going to get driven for the next week or so that's not a big deal. But yeah, there you go. Till next time, see ya.